Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ahmad Tech. Guys, here we will see how to earn money from Guru.com in Pakistan. First of all, you can see here that about Guru. This is the website that could be the source of earning. This is the platform from where you can also earn from it. So we will discuss about so it is a platform. Let me adjust it. And it is a platform for hiring the freelancers. Means by using this website, using this platform, you can hire freelancers for different projects for different projects. And the best platform for online earning in Pakistan without investment. Best, it is the best platform and there is no investment, and it simple words, it allows you to sell your skills and earn money. Guru.com was founded in 1998 and has been the hiring process is just simple as butter on bread. Hiring process is so simple as butter on bread. You just have to create profile on Guru, uh, create profile, then start bidding, bedding, not bedding, it is bidding, and on project that suits your skills. And here you go. It is secure to get well reputed company. Secure to get well reputed company. And if we see Guru charges commission, how much are its charges? Its charges are 8.9% of the your project. And after it we see that if you want more non projects you can also get a paid membership to get more bids. Can get paid membership for the more bids, as it has a premium option as well. So it has premium option as well. And after it we have seen that this is the reason why it has taken place to be one of the best. It means it has premium and different facilities are also provided here. Therefore, it is one of the famous online earning platform. So, all the aspects that are required we have discussed here. As you can see that you can hire the freelancers for different projects. and it is best platform. There is no investment and founded it in 1998. Hiring process simple. How to create profile, then start bidding, and its commission will be 9.8.9% or 9. It means 9.8.9%. So friends, this is all about it, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel.